With our 2.1 release, Clearion has grown our flagship field app, showcasing the future technology for infrastructure planning and maintenance. The Clearion platform makes complex fieldwork easy for utilities, transportation, telecom, and other infrastructure organizations. Our 2.1 release expands upon our ability to help you plan and track work out in the field. We have expanded our support of base maps to include imagery-based layers. When in a connected state, users can toggle between base map types to gain additional context of where their work tasks are located, whether you are en route or on-site already. No longer do you need to manually measure linear distance or an area. Clearion 2.1 supports real-time measurements of length and area in the desired units of your choice, with the quantity field updating as you draw on the map. Also, set up smarter forms with cascading fields. You can now filter lists based on input from a previous field. This will allow for faster, more accurate data entry out in the field. Speaking of faster, you can now set up Clearion where you can close out work based on a worksite or a property that you have completed. All the associated tasks within the designated area are updated and the changes reflected in the map real time. Now you can share URLs to external systems to field users via Clearion, whether it's a website like Clearion's or to a cloud-based content management system like OneDrive. Users can simply tap on the link to access the additional information required. With the 2.1 release, crew-based maintenance workflows are now joined by support for planners, inspectors, and auditors. Our cross-platform app continues to evolve, supporting leading field maintenance and vegetation management programs for utilities, transportation, telecom, and other infrastructure organizations. Want to learn more? Come find us on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn to stay up to date on the latest Clearion news.